Welcome. This video will guide you through the seal removal and installation of the Viking pump GP-410 and GP-414 pumps with Type 1 mechanical seals. This series includes the following Viking pump models. As always, consult the applicable technical service manual for important safety information before you begin. A copy of the latest revision can be found on our website at vikingpump.com. Always remember that safety is the highest priority. When working on or around any equipment, follow the correct safety procedures. It is critical to know what liquid the pump is handling and what precautions are necessary to safely handle the liquid. Always read and follow the safety warnings in the service manual before any work is started on the pump. Copies of the latest service manuals can be found on our website at vikingpump.com. A complete listing of tools and part numbers can be found in the service manual. For newer pumps, seal kit part numbers can be found on a hang tag on the pump. For older pumps, or if the tag has been removed, contact your local authorized Viking pump distributor with the model and serial number of the pump to obtain these part numbers. The pumps covered in this video are GP-410 and GP-414 series pumps with Type 1 mechanical seals. The seal kit includes a mechanical seal O-ring, retaining ring, seal washer, drive key, and associated hardware. Vent all the pressure inside the pump prior to removal of the seal. Keep the pump and work area as clean as possible. Drain the pump of any residual liquid. Turning the shaft will help expel any liquid trapped in the gear teeth. Remove the pump's drive coupling and drive key. Loosen and remove the seal holder cap screws. Use 2 of these cap screws as jacking screws to remove the seal holder slowly from the pump bracket. Be careful when removing the seal holder from the bracket, as the carbon element of the rotating part of the seal will tend to stick to the stationary seat. When it does this, it can fall off at any time once the seal holder has been removed. Remove the O-ring, which seals the seal holder and bracket. The mechanical seal is made up of 2 primary components or parts. The part closest to the shaft end of the pump is the stationary seat. The part furthest is the rotating part. Remove the carbon element from the rotating part if it's still attached. Then use a pair of picks to reach into the seal chamber to hook the seal spring and pull the mechanical seal out. This is a bellows type of seal, and the bellows is designed to grip the shaft to drive the rotating part. It may take some effort to pull the seal out. If the seal cannot be removed, use a piece of PVC pipe to push the rotating part down the shaft and into the pump to break the grip of the bellows on the shaft. Then use the picks to pull the mechanical seal out. Remove the seal spacer. Use the snap ring pliers to remove the retaining ring on the shaft. Use a lint-free towel to clean the shaft and the seal chamber inside the pump. Make sure both are free of dirt or grit. Also clean the counter bore where the seal holder O-ring is located. Remove the old silicon carbide stationary seat from the seal holder. The stationary seat is a slip fit into the seal holder. The only resistance to its removal will come from the O-ring on the outside diameter on the stationary seat. Once the stationary seat has been removed, clean the inside diameter and outside diameter of the seal holder. To install the new silicon carbide stationary seat, first lubricate the O-ring on the stationary seat with a generous amount of light oil. Also lubricate the bore for the stationary seat. Second, use your thumbs or the heel of your hand to press the stationary seat into the bore of the seal holder. Remember, the face of the stationary seal has been lapped to a mirror finish. Any damage done on this face during installation will affect the ability of the mechanical seal to seal. Wipe the seal face clean with a lint-free towel. Install a retaining ring into the groove in the drive shaft. Install the seal washer against the retaining ring. Be careful not to scratch the shaft in the sealing area. Make sure the retaining ring is securely in the groove of the shaft and the seal washer is against the retaining ring. Slide the installation sleeve onto the shaft. Coat the drive shaft, tapered installation sleeve, and inner diameter of the mechanical seal with a light oil before assembly. Install the mechanical seal's spring holder onto the shaft with the flat face against the seal washer. Place the spring onto the spring holder with the inside diameter over the holder's step. Slide the bellows and rotating face over the installation sleeve onto the shaft. Remove the installation sleeve. Lubricate the O-ring with a light oil and place onto the seal holder. Install the seal holder into the pump bracket. Tighten the cap screws to the seal holder in a star pattern. The GP-410 cap screws should be torqued to 60 inch-pounds and GP-414 cap screws should be torqued to 120 inch-pounds. Install the drive key into the shaft. Your Viking pump external gear pump has a new mechanical seal and is ready to be put back into service. Follow the suggested maintenance located in the appropriate technical service manual for a long, trouble-free service life. If you still have any questions regarding this or other Viking pump products, please contact your local authorized Viking pump distributor or visit us on the web at vikingpump.com. Thank you.